So today I am going to show you the very important structure in the anterior triangle of neck, that is none other than the ansa cervicalis. So ansa cervicalis is a very thin nerve loop which is present in the anterior wall of the carotid sheath, or you can say it is embedded in the anterior wall of carotid sheath. Now look at here, this ansa cervicalis is having, this is the sternocleidomastoid muscle here. You can see this is the sternocleidomastoid muscle here, and this is the superior belly of omohyoid muscle. But today I am focusing on the dissection of the ansa cervicalis. So I am just going to the carotid sheath. This is the superior belly of omohyoid. I have dissected it out from the field like this. Now in the anterior wall of the carotid, this is the anterior wall of carotid sheath, because you can appreciate here, this is the very large size internal jugular vein, and just medial to it here is the common carotid artery. So in the anterior wall of carotid sheath, you see here is a very thin nerve loop which is known as the ansa cervicalis. This ansa cervicalis is having two roots, the superior root or the descendens hypoglossae, which is carrying the fibers of C1, and the inferior root or descendens cervicalis, which is carrying the fibers of C2 and C3. So look at here, this is the superior root of ansa cervicalis, or you can say the descendens hypoglossae. This carries the fibers from the ventral ramus of C1. So this is the superior root of ansa cervicalis. You can see this is the superior root of ansa cervicalis. You can clearly see here. Now here is a very thin, this is the inferior root of the ansa cervicalis. This is a very thin, this is the inferior root of the ansa cervicalis. This is the inferior root or descendens cervicalis. Now you can see the branches from the ansa cervicalis. The ansa cervicalis supplies only three muscles. They are the sternohyoid, sternothyroid, and inferior belly of omohyoid. Now I am going to show you the branches for these three muscles from the ansa cervicalis. Number one, you can see here, this is the sternohyoid muscle. You can see this is the sternohyoid muscle here. This is the sternohyoid muscle. It is going from the sternum to the hyoid bone. Here is the hyoid bone. This is the thyroid cartilage. This is the hyoid bone. So this is the sternohyoid muscle, and deep to sternohyoid, this is the sternothyroid muscle. You can see this is the sternothyroid muscle here. This is the sternothyroid muscle. Now you can see the branches. The first branch from the ansa cervicalis is to the sternohyoid muscle. So you can see here, this is the branch to the sternohyoid muscle. This is the branch from the ansa cervicalis to the sternohyoid muscle, and you can see here, these are the branches to the sternothyroid muscle. This is the sternothyroid muscle here, and you can see these are the branches to the sternothyroid, and this is the branch to the sternohyoid. This is the sternohyoid muscle. Now the third branch from the ansa cervicalis is for the inferior belly of omohyoid. You can see here, this is the superior belly of omohyoid, and this is the inferior belly of omohyoid. This is the intermediate tendon. So the third branch, you can very clearly see here, this is the branch to the inferior belly of omohyoid. You can see here, this is the branch to the inferior belly of omohyoid from the ansa cervicalis. This is the inferior belly of omohyoid. So this is all about the ansa cervicalis. Thank you so much.